The title of Unit 5, Windows and Mirror, Providing Perspectives. I hope students you have enjoyed this fishbowl activity. With the help of this activity, we learned about quadrilateral family. Now, in previous class, I had explained to you finding the unknown values by using the properties of quadrilaterals. Now, today we are going to solve some more question. Before starting any question, one question, I want to give one concept, key heading, angle sum property of quadrilateral. Left side key heading, angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. In last unit, we have learned about angle sum property of triangle. The sum of angles of a triangle equals 180 degree. But in this unit, we are going to learn about quadrilateral. What is the angle sum property of quadrilateral? Firstly, I am drawing one figure. Observe here. ABCD. Suppose this is quadrilateral. We want to join 4-line segment. It will form quadrilateral. Shape can be anything. Now, suppose this angle is, I am assuming this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Now I am going to apply angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is this angle sum property of quadrilateral? It is saying the sum of all the angles, the sum of interior angles of quadrilateral equals 360 degree. How many interior angles are there? There are 4 interior angles. If I want to add this all 4 interior angle, then we will get 360 degree. Then what is the angle sum property of quadrilateral? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 360 degree. This is called angle sum property of quadrilateral. This is called angle sum property of quadrilateral. When any question you are solving, you are applying this property, you have to mention in the bracket angle sum property of quadrilateral. Note down everyone. The sum of all interior angle equals 360 degree. Quadrilateral has how many angles? 4 angles. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 360 degree. Make it fast everyone. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 360 degree. Now you are observing here angle 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all interior angle of quadrilateral. Why we are learning this property, students? Suppose one quadrilateral he has given and 3 angles we know and 4th angle how to find? By using angle sum property of quadrilateral. Note on example 1. Find the value of x find the value of x find the value of x in the given figure in the given quadrilateral figure. Find the value of x in the given quadrilateral figure. X. I want to find out value of x. Just now we learned where we will apply this angle sum property of quadrilateral. If we know three angle, fourth angle I want to find out, then we can apply angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is angle sum property of quadrilateral? Sum of interior angle equals 360 degree. I want to add all interior angle. You can start from anywhere. 70 degree plus 60 degree plus 110, 110 degree plus x equals 360 degree. Now 70 is constant, 60 is constant, 110 is constant. Firstly, I have to add 70 plus 60 plus 110. Then this whatever value we are adding, after that this value we have to transpose to the right side. Again, I am saying students, when we are applying this property, when we know three angle, fourth angle, I want to find out. Now down here, angle sum property of quadrilateral. This comment is very important. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Now 70 plus 60 plus 110 plus x equals 360 degree. Now 70 plus 60 plus 110, 110 plus 60, 170, 170 plus 70, 240 degree. 240 degree plus x equals 360 degree. Now 240 is constant, 360 is constant. 240 is saying my friend is right side, I want to go right side. X is saying okay, you can go right side, no problem. I want to be left side only. X equals 360 degree minus 240 degree. Plus a quantity became minus. Now the value of x equals 0 minus 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 120 degree. We got it the value of x.